Welcome, curious minds, to an exploration of the possible endings of our beloved planet Earth. Imagine this: space, the final frontier, filled with billions of celestial bodies. A vast, seemingly infinite expanse where the unexpected is the only expected. This is where we find ourselves, our home planet Earth, participating in an ongoing high-stakes game of chance. We call this game the Cosmic Lottery. In the Cosmic Lottery, the odds are as vast and as unpredictable as the universe itself. And the stakes? They couldn't be higher. The survival of our planet hangs in the balance. One of the most significant threats we face in this game is the potential for asteroid or comet impacts. Asteroids and comets, remnants from the early solar system, are scattered throughout our cosmic neighborhood. These celestial wanderers range from harmless pebbles to monstrous rocks capable of wiping out entire species. Remember the dinosaurs? Their reign ended abruptly about 65 million years ago due to an asteroid impact near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. This event, known as the KT event, wiped out 75% of all species on Earth at that time, including most of the dinosaurs. Just like the dinosaurs, we find ourselves at the mercy of these celestial bodies. If a large enough asteroid or comet were to collide with Earth, the result would be catastrophic. It's a chilling thought, but it's part of the reality of living in our vast, unpredictable universe. It's crucial to remember, though, that the Cosmic Lottery is not a game of certainty. It's a game of chance. The odds of a catastrophic event happening are slim, but they are not zero. So we continue to watch the skies, explore our universe, and do everything we can to tip the odds in our favor. So as we spin through the cosmos, we play a constant game of celestial Russian roulette. But threats don't only come from the stars, they also lie beneath our very feet. Earth, our nurturing and enduring home, harbors forces within its crust that could, without a moment's notice, unleash catastrophic events. Let's turn the pages of history back to the year 79 AD. A vibrant and thriving Roman city, Pompeii, was wiped off the face of the earth by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. The city, its people, their lives, frozen in time under a thick layer of volcanic ash. This event stands as a stark reminder of the power of nature, of the Earth's capability to reshape itself violently and with little warning. Fast forward to the present day, beneath one of the world's most famous national parks, Yellowstone, lies a slumbering giant, a supervolcano, its magma chamber holding enough destructive force to dwarf the eruption of Vesuvius. If awakened, it could spew ash across the entire North American continent, plunging the world into a volcanic winter. Now let's not forget about earthquakes, the Earth's way of relieving stress. Imagine the ground beneath you shaking, buildings collapsing like houses of cards. Earthquakes have the power to bring entire cities to their knees in a matter of seconds. The San Francisco earthquake of 1906, the Haiti earthquake of 2010, these are but a few examples of the Earth's power to shake the very foundations of our civilization. But it's not all doom and gloom. These natural disasters, while devastating, are part of the Earth's natural processes. They have shaped our planet and its diverse landscapes, fostering life in unexpected places. As humans, we've learned to adapt, to predict, and to some extent, prepare for these events. However, it is a humbling reminder that we are merely guests on this planet, living at the mercy of its natural rhythms and cycles. As we walk on our planet, we tread lightly over the sleeping giants of our Earth. Let this be a reminder that our Earth, while nurturing and beautiful, is also powerful and unpredictable. It's a dynamic world, a world that fights back. The most immediate threat to our existence, however, may come from our own hands. As we've shaped the world around us, we've also unwittingly crafted the tools that could end it all. The potential for human-made disasters, such as nuclear warfare or uncontrolled climate change, is a stark reality that we cannot ignore. Let's consider nuclear warfare first. Our technological prowess has given us the power to release energy stored within the heart of an atom. Yet, this same power, when wielded as a weapon, can cause unprecedented destruction. The scientific consensus is clear. A large-scale nuclear conflict could not only obliterate cities but also trigger a nuclear winter, a period of abnormal cold and darkness predicted to occur after the detonation of many nuclear weapons. This could lead to widespread famine and disease, leaving our planet a shadow of its former self. Then there's climate change, a more insidious but equally dangerous threat. Our relentless pursuit of industrial growth has pumped vast amounts of greenhouse gases into our atmosphere, trapping heat and causing the planet to warm. This warming is not just about hotter summers or milder winters. It's about disrupting the delicate balance that allows life to flourish on Earth. Rising sea levels, more intense storms, prolonged droughts, and devastating wildfires are just the tip of the melting iceberg. The science is unequivocal. Our planet is heating up, and it's happening at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, this could lead to catastrophic changes in our global climate system, potentially making large parts of the Earth uninhabitable. These threats are not distant or abstract. They're here, they're real, and they're of our own making. As we look to the skies for threats from the cosmos, we must not forget to look in the mirror. For in our hands, we hold not just the power to build, but also the power to destroy. In the end, the greatest threat to Earth might not be from the cosmos or beneath our feet, but from ourselves. Let's delve into the aftermath of these potential events. Imagine, if you will, the aftermath of a massive asteroid impact. The dust cloud that such an event would generate could block out the sun for years. This impact winter would cause temperatures to plummet, devastating plant life and subsequently the entire food chain. The world as we know it would drastically change, with species facing the threat of extinction. But it's not just cosmic threats that we have to consider. Let's take a moment to ponder the aftermath of a supervolcano eruption. The colossal amount of ash and gases spewed into the atmosphere would also create a volcanic winter. Just like an impact winter, this would lead to a severe drop in global temperatures. Crops would fail, leading to widespread famine. The landscape, once lush and vibrant, would be transformed into a barren wasteland. And what about the consequences of our own actions? Climate change, driven by human activity, is already causing noticeable shifts in our environment. Rising sea levels are threatening coastal cities. Unpredictable weather patterns are disrupting agriculture. The loss of biodiversity is altering ecosystems. If left unchecked, these changes could lead to a world that is inhospitable for many forms of life, including us. Or consider the aftermath of a nuclear catastrophe. The immediate loss of life would be devastating, but the long-term effects could be even more so. Radioactive fallout would contaminate the air, water, and soil, making large areas uninhabitable for centuries. The radiation could also cause genetic mutations affecting generations to come. These consequences paint a stark picture of a planet drastically altered, a testament to the power of these events. It's a reminder that Earth, our home, is a complex and fragile system, and whether the threat comes from space, from beneath our feet, or from our own hands, the results could be catastrophic. But by understanding these potential threats, we equip ourselves with the knowledge needed to mitigate them and safeguard our future. After all, forewarned is forearmed. The question now is, what does the future hold for our planet? As we navigate the vast cosmos of possibilities, one fact remains clear. The threads of our planet's destiny are woven tightly with the actions of humanity. Amidst the potential disasters we've explored, from asteroid impacts to supervolcanoes, the power to change the course of these events often lies within our reach. Take asteroids, for instance. The celestial bodies that once wreaked havoc on our planet, leading to mass extinctions, are now being closely monitored by our scientists. Today, we have initiatives like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, dedicated to detecting and characterizing potential near-Earth objects. Their work, combined with international efforts, aims to ensure that we're never caught off guard by a rogue space rock. Then there's the specter of climate change, a consequence of human activity that threatens to reshape our world radically. But here too, we hold the power to effect change. Around the globe, scientists, policymakers, and ordinary citizens are rallying to reduce carbon emissions, conserve biodiversity, and transition to sustainable energy sources. These efforts, though still in their infancy, hold the promise of a greener, more balanced Earth. And let's not forget the man-made threat of nuclear warfare, a shadow that has loomed over us since the mid-20th century. Yet even here, amidst the potential for devastation, we find glimmers of hope. International treaties aim to halt the proliferation of nuclear weapons, and diplomatic negotiations strive to diffuse tensions, underscoring our collective desire for peace. So, while the future may hold numerous threats, it also holds infinite possibilities. The choices we make today, the research we conduct, the policies we implement, and the values we uphold all play a crucial role in shaping our planet's future. As we ponder these scenarios, we're left with a stark realization. The future of our Earth is uncertain, but in our hands. By now, you've journeyed with us through the cosmos, witnessed the Earth's resilience, and explored the impact of human actions on our planet. But what is the next step? In the face of these daunting challenges, it may seem like the individual's role is insignificant. But that's far from the truth. Each one of us has the power to make a difference, to contribute to the collective effort of safeguarding our planet. Whether it's by supporting scientific research, advocating for policy changes, or simply making sustainable choices in our daily lives, every action counts. We can lend our voices to the fight against climate change, push for peaceful resolutions to conflicts, and champion the exploration of space for our collective safety. It's this power of participation that can turn the tide, that can help us write a different story for our planet. Remember, the future isn't set in stone. It's a tapestry woven from countless threads, each thread a decision, an action, a moment. And you, yes you, hold some of these threads in your hands. So let's ask ourselves, what kind of future do we want to weave? And more importantly, what are we doing today to bring that future to life? If you enjoyed this journey through potential endgame scenarios, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content.